The Locus helps us move the product as quickly as possible to their customers.
Locus Robots move what matters.
Clearly, Locus Robotics brings a ton of innovation into our warehouse. The world is moving that direction. We want to stay ahead of it.
So the Locus system folds right into our pick and pack process, specifically for e-commerce. It's a transportation system, so the robotics will take all of the walking out of the picker's daily cycle, so the pickers can focus on picking.
What Locus does is a great job of decoupling the people from the movement. So it really helps to condense the amount of time it takes to move product from shelf to pack out.
It's an intelligent, self-propelled cart. Will go and move in the smartest, shortest path that it can take to get to the products and to get back to the dock. So it decreases our cycle time, which a decreased cycle time, you improve productivity and you improve our ability to get our trucks out on time.
So allowed us to move from 70 lines per order to about 150 to 170 lines per order. As we utilize this technology, we see that our pickers are moving their LPH higher and higher and higher day by day by day. So when a customer walks into our facility and they see all of these Locus robots moving around, their first question to us is, oh wow, how do I get my product on that?
We are trying to move goods faster, and technology allows us to continue to do that in a way that drives efficiency, saves costs, but also continues to drive safety with all our associates that work in our warehouses.
They have sensors which actually allows them to avoid humans and avoid carts, avoid any other machinery. It's amazing to watch them move and dodge people and obstacles.
It has given us a chance to be a little more creative with how we allocate labor. Since we need less people in the aisles, now we can move people around so that our overall operation is more efficient.
We have already ramped up. We went from 40 bots to 90 bots. So we can move resources to packing instead of 90 people in here picking.
We can still retain personnel, cross-train them, and move them into additional functions, but use the robots to handle the heavy lifting.
We can check on our system performance at any time of day from anywhere in the world and allow us to react to that dynamically, moving workforce where needed in high pick dense areas, really allowing us to get into the detail and heat spots of what areas are busy and where we might need to move stock and people around to support our pick operation.
We get daily reports from the dashboards that allow us to make decisions each morning in our planning meetings on where we want to move stock and how we want to deploy people.
We have some things from Locus where we can see where the most picks are, and if it's in an area we would rather it be closer to the dock, we can move it.
One of the things that Locus Robotics really gives, especially the 3PL industry, is the flexibility to move these assets from account to account and campus to campus.
Locus is really the first technology in our new long-term strategy that we've decided to move and scale across our network.
We want to convert human interactions to more value-creating work versus what we call waste, walking, extra touches, extra movements. So Locus is going to help us get there and optimize our labor force as we move into the future.